Hey guys, so this video is about how to order a Tesla online. One common mistake is by going directly to the Tesla website and clicking order on the model of your choice. The better way to do it is by using a referral link. You can use anybody's referral link. If you have friends or family who owns a Tesla, you can use theirs. If you don't have a referral link to use, I will link mine down below in the description, and it is much appreciated. So once you click on the referral link, it will bring you onto this page and you will see the name of the owner of the link, and from there you can choose the model of your choice and you can even book a demo drive prior to ordering. It is highly suggested to check the existing inventory first, as you may get your vehicle sooner and may get discounted prices if an existing inventory is available in your area. For this example, I will be choosing the Model Y. Click on order now, and once again, you'll see the referral code is applied on your order. Then you can type in your delivery postal code so the system will know if there will be an option for early delivery, and so you'll know which Tesla location you can pick up your vehicle upon delivery. You will also see an estimated delivery date of your order. So for a Model Y, you will see 3 different trims, and you will see its EPA estimated range, top speed, and 0 to 100 for every trim. I will go ahead and choose the long range. After choosing the trim, you can choose the color of your choice. As of the moment, the Midnight Silver Metallic is included and other color options are available for an additional cost. Next, you can choose your wheels. 19-inch Gemini wheels are included, and you can upgrade to 20-inch induction wheels for $2,600. And note that it will lower your range as well. Then you can opt to add a tow hitch for $1,300 if you plan to tow some stuff with your car. Next, you can choose your interior color. You can choose the all black, which is included, or you can pay $1,300 for a black and white interior, which makes the interior looks more luxurious. I'll go with the all black interior here. For the seating layout, depending on the region, 7-seat interior is available as an option for an additional cost. But since I'm in Canada, we only have one option, which is a 5-seat interior. Next up will be options for autonomous capabilities. Enhanced Autopilot, which can navigate on autopilot, auto lane change, auto park, summon, smart summon, is available for $7,800. And the full self-driving capability, or better known as the FSD, which is all the functionality of basic autopilot and enhanced autopilot. It can auto-steer in city streets and has traffic light and stop signs control for $16,000. Note that all Teslas has basic autopilot, which would suffice for most people. And if you change your mind later on and want to add enhanced autopilot or FSD, you can always do that over the app and you'll get it through an over-the-air update. Then last would be the charging equipment. The wall connector, which you will need an electrician to have it hardwired in your electrical panel and would look aesthetically good and would charge faster, is available for $650, or you can go with a mobile connector, which you can take along with you on trips for $315. So after you finish your configuration, you'll again see your estimated delivery date and the incentives that are available in your area. So let's go and click continue to payment, and again you will see the referral code is applied, and you will be able to save your design if you don't want to pull the trigger yet, and email your design to yourself. So for payment options, if you pay in cash, that would be the easiest, and you will see the amount in the purchase price section. You can also choose to lease, so you can configure how much down payment you want to put in, the number of years you want to lease your car, and the annual threshold of your mileage, and it will show you how much is due upon signing off your lease. Then you can choose to make a loan, and again you can go as far as 0 down payment and take the maximum of an 8 years loan. You will see the current interest rate, the financed amount, and an estimate of how much your monthly payments will be. So now you will see the total amount due upon ordering, which is in this example is the $315 for the mobile connector and the $250 for the order deposit. After you key in your details to make your payment, you'll see the classic porcupine to confirm your order is complete, and now you'll be asked to create your Tesla account. After creating your account and logging in, you'll see your dashboard and the vehicle you ordered, and now you'll be asked to download the Tesla mobile app, in which you'll do all the next steps prior to taking delivery. The app will also be your main key, and most of the things you need to do with your car will be through the app. So once you download and set up the app on your phone, you'll see pre-delivery tasks you need to complete while waiting for a VIN number assigned to you. Getting a VIN assigned would take weeks or even months, so while waiting for your VIN number, finish as much tasks as you can to avoid delivery delays. First task will be personal information of the people who will be registrants of the vehicle if there is more than one besides yourself. Then, if you have a trade-in vehicle, you'll be asked to take photos of your trade-in vehicle and other information necessary for Tesla to make you an offer. Once offer is finalized, then you can choose to accept or reject the offer. Next will be financing. You'll be asked to fill out a form which will require information if you're going to put down a down payment and how much, the number of years of financing, and some other personal information. Once you submit the form, Tesla will notify you once a loan offer is ready, and you can confirm the offer through the app. Once you get a VIN number assigned to you, you'll be asked to schedule a delivery date in which you can choose the date and time of your appointment. Next, you have to do your final payment if you're paying in cash or whenever applicable. Then if you're doing a loan, you'll be asked to upload a copy of a void check of the bank account you want your monthly payments withdrawn from. Then the agreement section and the acceptance section with the final tasks that you will be doing on the day of your delivery day. As soon as you arrive at the Tesla Service Center where you'll be picking up your vehicle, you can check in with the Tesla advisor and they will help you locate your vehicle and lock your vehicle for you. Then you can do your pre-delivery inspection and check if there are issues that needs to be fixed. If there are concerns, you can just schedule a service appointment through the app and they will have those issues fixed for you. For me, there was none. And there you go, you can finally drive your brand new Tesla Model Y home. And that will wrap this up, and I hope this video was helpful, walking you through the entire ordering and delivery process of Tesla. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, it is much appreciated. I'll see you all on the next one.